Let's talk about one of those stupid resume mistakes I see people make all the time. And that is the idea of squeezing every last ounce onto your resume so it's one page or 2 pages. And the problem is you make the resume unreadable. I'm Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter. People hire me for no BS job search advice and coaching globally because I make job hunting and a lot of other things so much easier. You know, your resume is your gateway to getting an interview, fostering conversation during an interview, and a lot of other things. And you know that there's a limit to the length of your resume. Like I've seen 10-page resumes. They're unbearable. You can't read them because people are putting information from the antiquities of their career into this, down to the most minute detail of every single aspect of their life. And you can't read it. At the same time, people are trying to squeeze every ounce out of 1 or 2 pages. So the font is too small and the margins are being pushed out and you can't read the resume. So it looks like a block. It looks like a wall of text that's getting in your way and you can't read it. You have to think like the reader. They're trying to skim your resume in 4 to 6 seconds to see what they need to see in order to make a decision. And then from there, they're going to go a little bit further to probe. And when you put this wall of text in front of them, your resume becomes unreadable. So you have to think of the reader. Do triage on your resume. No one cares about things that you did more than 10 years ago. It's unlikely you're ever going to be hired for that. It's another thing during an interview where they might ask you, so I'm seeing the last 10 years and it's great. How did you start off in the field? And they'll bring this into conversation. And you can always have a simple line that says, prior experience was with so-and-so as a fill in the blank from such and such date to such and such date. But to create this huge wall of unreadable text is just a dumb mistake on your part. I hope you find this helpful. I'm Jeff Altman. Visit my website, thebiggamehunter.us. There is a ton in the blog that can help you. Plus, you can schedule time for a free discovery call, schedule time for coaching, find out about my video courses, books, and guides. Again, there's a lot there that will help you. Also, connect with me on LinkedIn at linkedin.com/IN/The Big Game Hunter. My network tends to be a lot larger than most of yours, so connecting with me will give you access to that much a larger population of people. Have a terrific day and be great.